So today is 10th February 2025, day 2 of our Spiti trek, journey, road trip, everything at once. Okay, so as you can see, the view behind me is nothing but, I don't know. It's because I don't know about others, but this is the first one for me. They all have traveled together. I mean, last year, the year before that, and all. So they already have quite a big history of trekking and dealing with this climate, this weather. But I don't. So this terrain, this area, this trek, everything is new for me. And somehow this takes away from all the tiredness, from all the hassle that we went through yesterday. And now I think mornings should be like this. Aside from the cold that I'm feeling here, my own breath is getting so cold that I'm not able to deal with it. But yeah, this is so good. I mean, this is better than what could have asked for. What I could have asked for. What I could have asked for. But this is very good. Although I've noticed one thing, the dogs here have a very deep voice, and they don't bark as quickly as dogs do in lower altitudes, which is like woof, 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 but they're like woo, woo, woo. Although like how chimpanzees and monkeys do their calls, not exactly calls, but how they kind of intimidate each other, I guess. So this is it. This side is a pretty dry mountain. So if you look at that, then it's pretty dry. And there's the same mountain that's going over that side. So pretty cool. Now let me show you complete view of this. I do have my Action 5 Pro recording here, so need to capture the sunrise. Although I know the scene here won't be as good as this, because the sunrise I'm gonna fall on that, and we need to capture that. But anything is better than, because I can capture it in the phone, but I need to capture a time lapse as well. So this is the view.